Hi, welcome to a very, very special edition of Jen's Daily Dish. The past year I've baked so many delicious sweets and yummy breads and eaten them all. I figured it was time to add some protein in my life, which led me to chicken sandwiches. But which one to choose? There are so many choices. So today we're gonna have a chicken sandwich war between Chick Fil-A, Popeyes, and McDonald's. Who has the best chicken sandwich? We'll find out through weighing them, tasting them, measuring them, all sorts of things to test. I'm also making it because we are hungry. No one can tell us we're not. Searching for the best chicken sandwich. All of us wondering who wins the chicken sandwich wars. Who's gonna win? Let's find out. Let's start off from the scientific approach. Let's see how heavy they are. Let's weigh them. Chick Fil-A chicken sandwich, 157 grams. Popeyes chicken sandwich, woo, 276 grams, wow. McDonald's chicken sandwich, 199 grams. So from a weight comparison, Popeyes outweighs them all by a lot. Let's find out why. Now let's look at the toppings. Chick Fil-A's toppings just has pickles. Popeyes has lots of this mayo along with pickles. McDonald's has just pickles, nothing else. As for the toppings, I can't say that any of them looked particularly special. They all just had pickles. Now let's measure the entire sandwich as well as just the chicken itself. There will be 2 measurements involved. Chick Fil-A chicken sandwich is about 2 inches. Popeye's chicken sandwich is about 2.5 inches. The McDonald's is about 2 inches, just like the Chick Fil-A. Once again, Popeyes wins. It is the thickest of the chicken sandwiches. Let's cut them open and take a look at that chicken. The chicken at its thickest point is about 1/2 inch. The chicken at its thickest is about 1 inch. The chicken at its thickest is about 3/4 of an inch. Not too bad. So in terms of who's giving you the most chicken, that is Popeyes with 1 inch thick chicken, followed by McDonald's and then Chick Fil-A at the end, surprisingly so. Now for the most important part, the taste test. The Chick Fil-A sandwich. Let's start by taking a little piece of the bun and tasting that. It tastes like a nice potato bun. It's a little sweet, it's soft, tastes good. Let's taste the whole thing. It is a good chicken sandwich. It's solid. Crispy on the outside, has a lot of the seasonings come through. Okay, this is good. Now for Popeyes chicken sandwich. The bun is much more brioche-like and also good. Let's taste it. Popeyes has a very light batter on the chicken, and that's what makes it different. But I'm also looking at all that chicken that's in there. This is a great sandwich. It's just great. It's light and crispy. McDonald's chicken sandwich. Let's take a look at the bun. It's also a potato roll. It's just okay. It may have gotten flattened in the packaging, so in all fairness, it still gets good marks. Let's taste it. McDonald's chicken sandwich has a much more subtle taste than I think the Chick Fil-A sandwich and or the Popeyes sandwich does. So if that's what you're looking for, then maybe the McDonald's chicken sandwich is not bad, but also the chicken inside sort of falls apart more in your mouth than it does with a Chick Fil-A sandwich or the Popeye sandwich. I hate to say it, but I think we have a clear winner. It's Popeye's chicken sandwich. It's kind of hard to beat. Not only does it weigh the most because of that big chicken breast inside, but look at the thickness of that chicken. You are really getting a mouthful of a yummy chicken sandwich every time you take a bite. And look at the batter. The batter on the side is just nice and light and crispy versus being dense. So you get a little bit of crispiness in your mouth every time you take a bite of that delicious, juicy chicken in the middle. It's really hard to beat. It kind of was no contest. I hate to say it, but Popeyes, you've done a great job. You provide a really good chicken product with this chicken breast that you have in the middle. Chick Fil-A, McDonald's, maybe use a bigger chicken breast. If you liked this taste test that I just did, feel free to let me know what other taste tests you'd like me to do. It's been a lot of fun and added some extra protein to my diet, which is always a good thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out at Jen's Daily Dish and more, where you will see so much more than just this.